Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Sharma. Welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this Jira software series, in this playlist, we are going to discuss about the Agile methodology. So if I talk about the Agile methodology, because Jira software is based on Agile methodology. Before going to start, what is Agile methodology? So let's quick introduction about the methodology. You can say like if I take one example, let's say we are going to develop one application. So how to develop and how to test that project, and what is the release time, how to release the project, and how to manage the roadmap and bug fixing, what is the project milestone. So these are the protocol to set up in the methodology. So this is a simple definition. What is methodology? The software development methodology is a process by which developer design and implement and test a new computer software project. Okay, so that is called the methodology. Let's move on. Agile methodology. So there are many types of methodology in the software development, but here you can say you can see here agile methodology. It's a newest thing. If you remember in the software engineering, there are many types of methodology. So agile methodology, you can say like speed and fast to develop the application, I mean sharp development. So here in this series we will discuss how many types of framework of agile methodology. So let's move to another slide. So agile methodology is a way to manage a project by breaking it up into the several phases. Let's say example, make if you are developing the project. So first of all, what you need to make up a plan for 14 days, 15 days, 20 days, whatever time estimate, and development for plan, and test project according to your plan, make the feedback from the client. So these are the step by step protocol to follow the agile methodology. So if I talk about the agile framework, so there are many types of framework in agile methodology. First one is the scrum framework, and second one is the kanban framework, and third one is the stream programming framework. So if I talk about in the Jira software series, there are two types of framework we are using. So the first one is the scrum framework. So this is the very popular framework to achieve the agile methodology. So in this Jira software, in this in this series, we are going through the Jira software, how to use. So Jira software is based on the agile framework. So in the next video we will see what is scrum framework, and how to implement, how to follow to how we can follow the scrum framework. So thank you so much. It was just a quick introduction about the agile methodology. So thank you so much. Thanks watching this video, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks.